Let us understand the concepts of creating structure variables. Now, prior to that, we should first understand why do I need these structure variables. For this, let me take you back to the previous concepts which we stated, structure declaration. Now, in this, you might have defined those two structures which I gave you as an exercise. In that, or in this particular example which is there on the screen, you will be able to find that there are variables which have been defined as name, roll underscore number, or PER. Logically, these members would have been allocated with some memory. If these are ordinary members, then these members will have some memory. But if they are embedded within the structure, these structures will not have, or these members will not have even a single byte allocated. So it means that the memory is not created for structure declaration. So then how do I get memory for this particular name as 20 bytes, roll underscore number as 2 bytes, or float percentage as 4 bytes? For this, what we need to do is we need to create variables of this particular structure. When we create variables of the structure, memory is automatically allocated for the members of the structure. Let us see the syntax of creating these structure variables. So creating these structure variables is by using a keyword called as struct followed by tag name. Struct space tag name. Then I'm supposed to write variable 1, variable 2. You can separate them by commas. And there has to be at least one space between tag name and the variable and the keyword struct and tag name. You can create n number of variables, but at the end make sure that you put a semicolon. Now always have the particular structure which we defined in the previous slide. Let me create the variables of that particular struct called as student. The tag name was student, and I'm going to create two variables s1 and s2. So now if I ask you to identify the data type of s1, s2, S1 is nothing but a member of S1 is nothing but a variable of student, and student is nothing but a structure. So S1 is nothing but the member or a variable which belong to student, and student is structure. So S1, S2 can be concluded as structure variables. Since I wrote this particular structure student, I can say that there are three members of this particular structure. Now if two students or two people are going to write the structure, not necessarily that the two structures are going to be identical. The members might vary depending upon the creative members which you think about student. Since we can conclude that S1, S2 are nothing but variables which are of user defined data type called as student. Student is nothing standard. Student contains three members which are again of different type. So student is a user defined data type. Structure is a user defined data type. The question comes, how this particular memory gets allocated for S1 and S2. Now let's look at the memory allocation for S1. So S1 will have a copy of name which will be having 20 bytes for its space. S1 will have a roll number of 2 spaces, and percentage is of 4 spaces. So it means that S1 is nothing but a structure variable whose size can be calculated. Follow this particular statement carefully. S1 is nothing but a structure variable whose size is nothing but the sum of sizes required by every member of the structure. Sum of sizes required by every member of the structure. So 20 plus 2 plus 4. 20 plus 2 plus 4. So that is 26 bytes. Similarly, when I have created a variable called as S2, S2 will again have members called as name, roll number, and percentage, which is again of 26 bytes. So now what you can do is, the example which you wrote, you can pause this particular video after the completion of my statement. Create 3 employees for the structure called as employee and draw the memory allocation diagram and identify the size of each of those employee variables. Similarly, create two cricketers and again draw the memory of those two cricketers. So complete that particular part and come back and resume with the next video.